Guys, good news! Today's video is going to be very important because today I am talking about very dangerous thing in chess. Today's subject is Petrov defense, classical variation, Damiano defense, Kolmov gambit and Stafford gambit. So let's start the game quickly. This game starts with the most popular opening pawn e4, black reply pawn e5, then knight f3, attack this e5 center pawn. Next move many time we have seen defending with knight c6, but at this time we are discussing knight f6. Yes guys, this is called the Petrov defense. The plan is to invite white to capture the e5 center pawn, because this e5 center pawn is unprotected. Now if white take this e5 center pawn, on the contrary we see black giving three types of move. First try take this e5 center pawn, second try pawn d6 and attack this black knight, and third try knight c6 and trying to exchange knight. Friends, now we will discuss all the parts one by one. I hope everyone will stay with me and watch the full video. Okay boss, first we will see what will happen here if the knight takes the center pawn. Now white's best move is queen e2 and attack this knight. Okay, good. Knight can't come back because the discover check will come and black will lose his queen. Oh my god, it is very dangerous. So here black can try two ways. First pawn d5 and second queen e7. If black plays pawn d5 and defends his knight, white will attack this knight by playing pawn d3. Then queen e7, pawn takes knight, queen takes knight, and everyone's position is equal. Guys, go back to moves. Here the game can be like this as I am showing, but no problem because position is equal. Guys, go back to this previous position. So far here we have seen queen d7 by attack this white e5 knight. Now we will see queen d6. This time also the knight has been attacked, but it's a wrong move. You can't try it. If you do this, you will lose your knight, because the next move we can see knight returned home. At the same time your knight is pinned by the white queen and your knight is gone and black down a minor piece. Very bad luck. Guys, go back and see black best move queen e7. Then queen takes knight. What are you thinking? Black has lost his knight? Of course not, because in the next step we can attack this white knight by playing pawn d6. The knight can't go back, but if he does it, white will lose his queen, because white queen has no defender. Okay, now white best move is pawn d4. Then takes and position is equal. Oh guys, I am really sorry, because white up a extra center pawn, but no problem, we will attack this pawn by playing knight c6. Now white can try four different ways: bishop b5, knight c3 and bishop f4 or pawn f4. Friends, first I am starting these 4 chapters with your permission. I hope you stay with me until then. So let's start. First bishop b5, pinning this knight. Okay, good. Now black can try to unpin his knight by playing bishop d7. So immediately capture this knight and take back by the bishop. Guys, follow the board and recognize it. There are some problem here. The white queen attack and the white g2 pawn are also in danger. The queen moves away and white g2 pawn is gone. Going back, here if white plays queen g4 and defends her pawn, quickly you take this white e5 center pawn and give a check. Now the white kings can go to 3 square, but the computer recommended white best move is queen e2 by blocked. Then takes and finally white g2 pawn is gone. Going back, now if white develop his knight in the c3 square, you just take this pawn with your queen. Then queen takes queen and knight takes queen. Okay, going back, this time white can play bishop f4. Then you play like this as I am playing. Now position is the same. Guys, this time we are going back to this main point of the game. So far we are discussing knight e4. Now we will discuss pawn d6, knight c6 and queen e7. Okay, first pawn d6, attack this white knight. Knight goes home and simply take this center pawn. Boss, now we will see the most important part, knight c6. If you look at it, it will be useful. So let's continue. Here the blacks try to exchange knight and most of the time white accept it because it's create double pawn structure. So knight takes knight and black recapture with this d7 pawn because he wants to open his d file and bishop lines. Guys, follow the board. The white e4 pawn is also attacked. Then the white popular moves are pawn e5 attacking this knight, and the second move pawn d3 defends his pawn and at the same time open his dark square bishop lines. My special request to you, boss, keep this video going till the end. I am sure it can help you develop chess, so don't skip it. Okay, first we will see pushing this pawn forward and attacking the black knight. Black best move is knight d5, but he plays knight e4. Yes guys, you got it right. Black is trying to make any trap. Anyway, white find it unbearable, so he quickly attacked this dangerous knight with his pawn. Black plays bishop c5 avoiding this threat. Oh my god, what it is! Double attacking on the white's weak f7 square. So white take this knight immediately. Black sacrifices powerful knight, but black still want to make some more sacrifice. This is bishop sacrifice, bishop f2 check, knight takes bishop, and finally white queen is gone. Going back, if the black king does not take this bishop, he moves to the e2 square, then you will play bishop g4 check. The king can only take the f2 bishop and white lost his queen again. Very bad luck. Okay, let's go back a few steps. Here white best move is bishop e3, then takes and takes, queen h4 check. Best move blocked by pawn. After that knight takes pawn. Best move is pawn takes knight, and finally white rook is gone. Return to this position. Now we will look at the defense by pawn d3. Then black plays bishop c5. Now if white plays his bishop g5, then he will be defected. The reason is you look at the board and see what happens. Yes guys, you believe it or not, that's a checkmate. Looking back, taking the queen with the bishop at this time was a wrong move. Now white best move is bishop e3. Friends, we have seen this position on the board before. This is how you play from here, which I showed you a while ago. I hope black win this game easily from here. See you soon. Friends, definitely subscribe this Chess Dangerous YouTube channel because my dream is to have 100k subscribers on this channel. I pray that you will help me fulfill my dream. Always stay healthy and well. Tata and bye bye.